Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something really exciting to talk about with Immutable Retroactive and the Layerswap route. If you're into blockchain or crypto and making some money online, you're in the right place. Immutable, backed by a whopping $200 million investment, is revolutionizing blockchain gaming with its Ethereum first zk-rollup scaling protocol. This means gas-free NFT minting and trading, folks. With over 270 games and a staggering 70% market share, Immutable is the undisputed king of gaming chains. Plus, they're dishing out rewards like NFTs and tokens. And speaking of rewards, Layerswap is paving the way with their token, promising a bridge into the Immutable blockchain. Get ready to level up your gaming experience. Now, let's get down to business. First up, add the Immutable network to your MetaMask wallet. It's as easy as visiting chainlist.org and following a few simple steps. Once you've got your network set up, it's time to create your passport on Immutable.com. Just a few clicks and you're ready to start claiming those sweet gems. Keep claiming the gems daily. But wait, there's more. With the Faster Bridge Toolkit, you can bridge to zkEVM in no time. Say goodbye to gas fees and hello to seamless transactions. Good news! Immutable has been integrated in Quickswap, ready to dive into the next step using Quickswap. Head over to Quickswap, switch networks to Immutable, and start swapping WETH for IMX. It's quick, it's easy, and it's oh so rewarding. Click the Immutable wallet icon. Log in with your previously registered details and launch the app. Swap WETH to IMX, approve transaction, and you're done. And don't forget to check out other DEXes like Warpgate for even more trading options. The more you explore, the more rewards you'll uncover. Log in with Immutable Passport. Swap between pairs. Click on Done. Repeat process frequently at intervals between days for more rewards. Check back on Immutable Passport page to see interactions are properly reflecting. Of course, what's gaming without games? Head over to guildofguardians.com to pre-register for the latest gaming adventures on Immutable's zkEVM. Trust me, you won't want to miss out. Pre-register for both Android and Apple by prayer and FT optional. So there you have it, guys. With Immutable Retroactive and Layerswap leading the charge, the future of blockchain gaming has never looked brighter. Get out there, claim those rewards, and let's game on. That's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more updates on Immutable and Layerswap. See you next time.